In Kenner, our bus system was broken. AARP stepped in and offered to help.
I'm so happy to know that because I got a lot to tell you. There were no signs. You have to wait an hour. Just know where to sit down.
We conducted a survey to get information about the public transportation system.
It was a discussion about what makes a livable community. And that's when the big thing about the bus situation came up.
I had one employee that walked an hour from her house to our business. Rain, you're talking about hot days, especially the humidity here in Louisiana, right?
I used to see people bringing their chairs, dining room chairs, and putting out there at the bus stop.
After that, we rode the bus and we said, oh my goodness, it was exactly how everyone described it.
This pregnant lady had to get off the bus and walk back to Juliani Boulevard. I didn't want to walk 1 or 2 blocks when I was pregnant.
We were able to work with the City of Kenner's mayor's office, and he agreed to ride the bus along with us.
Riding the bus with the riders, I learned some of their concerns.
The signage is already up identifying where the bus stops are. They've already rerouted the bus to community assets like the Social Security office, adding additional buses. They've already decided that they're going to reduce the wait time to 20 minutes, which is remarkable.
Can I go there?
No, go ahead.
I was very excited about the way things happen so fast.
It all came about because of that discussion about a livable community.
I would have not known the problems without AARP.
Thank you, AARP. Love you.